In this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube music on your Galaxy Watch. I'm using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but it'll work the same way on other Galaxy Watches as well. But remember, you're gonna need a premium YouTube music account to use YouTube music on your Galaxy Watch. Also, make sure that your watch is either connected to the Wi-Fi or the smartphone and that you have YouTube music logged in with a premium account on your smartphone. If you don't have the YouTube music app on your Galaxy Watch, then search for it on the Play Store and install it from there. As soon as you launch the app, it'll start sync with the YouTube Music app installed on your smartphone. You'll notice there are already a few pre-made playlists available. But if you want to listen to specific songs, you'll need to do a quick setup on your smartphone first. Open YouTube Music on your phone and head over to the library. From there, create a playlist with all the songs you want to listen to. Once that's done, download the playlist on your phone so it's available offline. Now, switch over to the Galaxy Watch. Open YouTube Music, scroll down and tap on the library. Inside the library, go to Playlists and you'll see all the playlists synced from your phone. Select the playlist you want and tap on the download icon. Give it a moment and the songs from that playlist will start downloading onto the watch. Once the download is complete, try playing any song. You can play the songs directly from the watch speaker or through a pair of connected Bluetooth earbuds. That's it. Now you can enjoy your music directly from the Galaxy Watch without carrying your phone. Perfect for workouts, runs, or anytime you want to travel light and listen offline. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe for more wearable content. I'll catch you in the next one.